President Emerson Mnangagwa came under scrutiny on Friday after delivering a speech at the 2025 National Independence Day celebrations in Gokwe that many have described as a political maneuver aimed at appeasing war veterans without offering concrete action. Sanapita mashoko kubuda panapa achiatakwa nemutungamiri wenyika achinzi aiwa Mnangagwa would wings war veterans kugokwe uko ndoti subscribe like on the bell icon. Timina mzimu aiwa mudanyora chiti addressing thousands gathered for the commemorations, ZANU-PF leader called for national unity and praised the role of war veterans in Zimbabwe's liberation history. In quotes, let us remain united as a nation against our detractors, Mnangagwa said. War veterans will remain a top priority in the national development agenda and his progressive dispensation, where my government is successfully issuing the title deeds program, which has so far empowered many livelihoods. He also commended the Midlands province for its agricultural productivity, calling it a model for food security in the country. However, critics and some war veterans expressed skepticism, saying the president's remarks lacked substance and failed to address long-standing grievances over welfare, compensation, and recognition. While he praised the title deeds program, observers noted that few war veterans have actually benefited from it, especially in the rural areas like Gokwe. The speech is being seen by some as a strategic move to maintain political support among a key constituents ahead of future elections rather than a commitment to meaningful reforms or empowerment. Thomas Korea panapa ari na attack nemutungamiri wenyika achinzi aiwa speech yenyu chakainzwa but aiwa iri kuleka materiality iri kuya panapa inyatsokuona kuti haina substance noda kuti kugokwe kwacho kwavaiva kuende war veterans mashoma akawabenefita from title deeds even maprograms emutungamiri wenyika war veterans zvakaita sekudhirilwa kwemaboreholes zvakaita sedzimba nemari. Panapa war veterans ari kuzviramba achiti ayo mapropaganda aya tanoita nawo. Pena comment section medu dzemafunguro enyu kuti kudii pamusoro pechiti kwechi. Musaona subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.